My dudes, Carter, BitsBeTrippin, out here at the shop, and we have an L7 right now running Doge Litecoin on the Starlink, sitting on top of the truck right now. We got a mount for that. We're gonna do a mobile run with it, but we made ourselves a little 50 amp cable box here. The 50 from there. We put two here. These are 20 amp, pairs of 20s on the plugs there going into the L7. We got a Cloud Gateway Ultra from Ubiquiti running the Ubiquiti OS. Starlink router is passed through to this where I can manage the OS. A little power over Ethernet box to Wi-Fi 7. And then we got a little PDU box here just to kind of monitor power on that side. And we got Jacob in here helping me get this thing so you guys can see it right now running almost, well, let's just call it 9.6 gigahash right now on script. It's running this setting here. Now let's look and see what the car is running. You guys can see it running. It's connected to that Wi-Fi network, and then we're going to come over here and see inside what is the car saying. Ben,
What up?
got it set up in here. We're running, and it's saying
3.6.
3.6. See if it focuses on that. 3.6. Keeps trying to focus on everything else besides that. There we go. 3.6 on the output right now on that. Now, we were going to try a few different things with this, including hooking up the mobile mount there for us so that we can drive around and see what kind of longevity we can get out of this. We are at 80% earlier today, made a little drive. I'm gonna see what we're at right now power-wise. What's our total juice in the car right now? 77?
Yeah, 77.
Not bad. Didn't see it there. Set to 77. I do want to do a test to see how long can one of these things sit here in mine at 3.6 kW based on the battery that's there. Now we could technically hook up two here. We're going to do one full test to make sure that this thing can actually operate and run. And then that's the setup. So we'll have the links to all this stuff in the description. Again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me testing out what's possible with the Cybertruck and a little crossover with some mining, my dudes. Let's go. We'll try a couple Bitcoin miners, obviously, too. We got a lot of different Bitcoin miners in here that we can test with, but she's running, my dudes. Let's go.